severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, eastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Reedsburg to near Cross Plains, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Middleton, Waunakee, Baraboo, Portage, Reedsburg, Mount Horace, Windsor, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, DeForest, Cross Plains, Lodi, Lake Delton, Gwinnett, Partyville, Mazo, Mamie, Montello, and West Baraboo. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilgorn Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Severe thunderstorm watch number 348 has been canceled for the following county: Vernon, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service has issued